Buy an onion tracking device this Xmas period. For those of you that your partner loves cheating, use these onions to cook for your partner and you will know every location your partner is going to. Madam, good day.
I've heard a lot about this onions tracker.
It's working.
I hope it really works.
If it does not work, people will not be rushing it the way they are rushing it now.
Because I really need to use it for my boyfriend, Akbamu, this period.
Hey, Akbamu. Wow. No, the onion is starting around 20 kobo.
You don't have full one?
I don't have full one. This is the only one remaining. People are rushing it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, nah. Wow.
Wow, Papa. Wow, Papa.
How do you feel cheating on your wife at an Olo show? Don't you think this is an act of wickedness to date her for the past 10 years? I don't get married to her. How do you think you're going to after now? Heaven or hell?
Hell.
Better.
Bulldozer, bulldozer. You're my bulldozer. Bulldozer. See, if you get too much, them go say you depressed. So. If you find too much, them go say you big.
This ATM no dey ever pay somebody. Bro, I think that's the pay. Omo, that ATM no dey pay o. That ATM.
I don't mind them o. Na lie o. Na so they do for this Lagos on a lie. The ATM dey pay. You no forget they deceive people. 3 man plan for you abeg. Na so they lie for this place. Say ATM no dey pay. Meanwhile, the thing dey pay. They can never drink water, mind their business. All these boys. Nonsense life.
Bro, something dey happen now.
Let's say light off.
Light off.
You think say you dey wise?
I feel like they don't swallow your card.
Swallow my wetin, my card. You say wetin?
Swallow them.
You be mumu.
No, bros.
Swallow wetin?
Give me the explanation. Make I talk to them.
I'm sorry, oh. May God not allow them, make them kill you.
No, na me fuck up.
Go in. See, tear it. Move. Chai. Be courageous.
May God not allow them, make them kill you.
Agabus. Uzi.
You be mumu.
You again? Me? Again?
Challenging Nigerian police force. Get out.
I will deal with both of you. You don't know me. Hey, if you move an inch, I will.
Jesus is Lord.
DPO. Yes, your DPO. DPO. My lifetime.
Funke.
DPO. Who is your DPO? Will you join me and worship the Lord?